Hey guys, welcome to episode 32 of the Fire Fun Friday series. We had another up and down week in the market, with global tensions and economic worries right at our doorstep. We seem to have entered a new era of the market, and the bull run of the last decade seems to be coming to an end. It's been a wild start to this year, and I've just been trying to figure out how to navigate through all of this. So I want to say thank you for joining me here on this roller coaster ride. Let's jump right into this week's Fire Fund update. On this channel, I talk about all things finance, wealth building, and how you can achieve the life of your dreams through financial independence. If you want to join me on this journey to financial independence, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So this week in the market was actually quite similar to last week. There was some market optimism for the first few days of the week, where we saw a few consecutive green days. But as Friday rolled around, it seemed like reality was setting in and the market sank to the weekly lows. And again, that's where I found my opportunity to cash in. I did most of my purchases for the week within the last 15 minutes of the trading day on Friday afternoon. So let's go ahead and check out what I bought this week. I started things off with QYLD. This stock has actually been slowly recovering over the last few weeks and is already back over $23 per share from its $21 low. And I will be honest, there is a bit of regret not buying more over the last few weeks, but that's always how it goes, right? My average cost for this position is still around $24, so it's still technically an opportunity to dollar cost average at the moment. But I am more comfortable purchasing this stock when it's in the low $22 to high $21 range. I am trying to get this position to over 400 shares by end of February, and I will push myself to achieve that goal, even if the price is not exactly where I want it to be. Regardless, I still picked up 19 shares for about $440, bringing the total in the portfolio up to 374 shares, and increasing our annual dividend income by $51.29. After that, we made most of our weekly purchases of QYLD right before market close on Friday because it dropped to under $20.20 per share. I was not paying attention right at market close, so I missed my chance to pick up the shares right at $20 per share. This current price range is the sweet spot for investing in QYLD. As soon as the stock drops under $20, I have noticed buyers swarm in, pushing this price back above $20. With global tensions the way they are right now, it will cause some serious fears, especially for chipmaker and technology companies, which will drive the Nasdaq down, so I am thinking QYLD will drop into the $19 range, and that's when I will increase my purchases by quite a large amount. In the meantime, we spent $460 on 23 shares of QYLD this week, bringing the total in the portfolio to 393 shares, and increasing our annual dividend income by $54.97. I'm pretty sure this position will soar past 400 shares by the end of February very easily. And lastly, we did have a dividend reinvestment from Horizon Technologies, which was enough for it to purchase one share for itself, bringing the total in the portfolio up to 185 shares and increasing our annual dividend income by $1.10. Alright, so it looks like this week we spent $903.76 on stock, which is less than my usual budget, but that's fine, because it still increased our annual dividend income by a nice $107.37. This brings our total annual dividend income up to $4,559.64, which is a growth of almost 2.5% over last week, and bringing us another step closer to our goal of $12,000 per year of annual dividend income. Over the next few weeks, I need to figure out my stock purchasing schedule. Waiting for market weekly lows is causing me to invest less than I normally would. Maybe I will set up automatic purchases to buy 2 shares a day, and I manually buy more on red days. I know I don't have to invest every day, but I don't really track how many shares I buy on a given day, so I don't know if I'm under or over budget until the end of the week. Let me know if you guys have any suggestions on how I should approach my weekly purchases, or if you have a strategy that works for you. So that's it for another Fire Fun Friday. I hope you guys had a good week in the markets, and I hope you have a great weekend too. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.